They told us elegance had limits. That beauty had to curve. For a century, the Jaguar badge was a promise of a certain slinky danger, the V8 roar echoing history. But the music stopped, the leather aged, and the old Jaguar simply disappeared. Now, look at this. The 2026 Jaguar Type 00 All-Electric. GT. It's not just a new car, it's an act of architectural defiance. The front end is upright, imposing. A sheer wall of bodywork with those slim, severe light signatures that look less like headlamps and more like eyes, daring you to approach. The side profile is monolithic, sculpted over massive 23-inch aerodynamic wheels, all flowing into a rear that is completely glassless, replacing the traditional window with a camera system and a bold, horizontal strike-through graphic. Where is the wood veneer? Where is the chrome smile? This thing is unapologetically blunt. It looks like a sculpture that decided to move at 200 miles an hour. And for the purist who love the E-Type, this new face is a betrayal. But the moment the butterfly doors sweep skyward and you drop into that futuristic, digitally detoxed cockpit, you realize the audacity. Jaguar didn't just go electric. They went fearless. The interior is segmented by 3 distinct lines of untreated, oxidizing brass running the length of the cabin. Brass that will literally age with the owner. The seats are upholstered in a tactile wool blend textile, sitting on plinths of travertine stone, luxury that rejects leather, and the digital screens can be hidden away entirely for a full digital detox driving experience. They swapped a history of subtle grace for a promise of shocking performance. Built on the new JEA platform, this GT targets an astonishing 478 miles of electric range and a sub-130K price point that challenges the established electric order, and a power figure that will make the old V8s weep. This isn't your granddad's beautiful cat. This is a silent electric predator that forces you to confront the future. It's not asking for your nostalgia, it's demanding your attention. This car is polarizing, and that's the entire point. It had to stop blending in. It had to draw blood. The conflict is over. The brand war is won. The Type 00 is here to show us that the greatest luxury of all is not looking back. So, here's the deal. If this seismic shift excites you, if you believe in a future this bold, smash that like button. Let me know in the comments. Is this Jaguar's electric revolution? Or is the glassless rear too radical? And from all of us here at Wixel Cars, hit subscribe. Because next week, we're finding out if this beautiful brutality handles like a GT or a glorious mistake. You don't want to miss that.